Hello everyone, a very good afternoon. Welcome back to HR Board. My name is Nandini Shukla and I teach you paper 2 of UGC NET exam. The subject name is Labor Welfare and the subject code is 55. So all those students who are preparing for UGC NET exam June 2025 and their subject is Labor Welfare, they can join my channel HR Board. So as you know, the answer key was released yesterday. So based on it, let's have a quick paper 1 answer key discussion. And then we'll also do the paper 2, so which was held on 21st January 2025, shift 1. Starting with the first question. Yes, the DI was quite easy. Yes, though it was calculative, but it was easy. Okay. The average of PG employees in the production, marketing and HR departments is approximately dash percentage more than the number of employees in the finance department. So the answer was, question number 1, the answer was 46.67, that is option 4th. Question number 2, what is the total number of PG female employees in production, finance and R&D departments together? 750, 800, 900 or 600? The answer was option 2, that is 800. Question number 3. The total number of PG employees in the finance and R&D department together is dash less than the number of male employees in the marketing departments. 285, 260, 270 or 275? So question number 3, the answer is option 2, that is 260. Question number 4. Total number of male employees in finance and R&D departments together is dash more than the total number of PG female employees in marketing and HR departments together. 140, 120, 160, 180. The answer is option 3, that is 160. Question number 5. Total number of non-PG female employees in the production and marketing departments together is dash percentage of the total number of employees in the production and marketing departments together. The answer is option 1, that is 15%. 15%. Question number 6. Identify the correct statement about reliability and validity. Reliability measures the consistency, validity measures the accuracy. Reliability also ensures validity. Inter-rater reliability is used to compare results between different studies. So the statement A and B are correct, but the statement C and D are false. So accordingly, the answer option 2 is the right option. Reliability measures the consistency and validity measures the accuracy. Question number 7th is match the following. Tool and used for. Trello is a tool which is used for project management and task tracking. MindMister is used for creating mind maps. Edpuzzle, interactive video content creation, and Fate is fun interactive research-based simulation. Accordingly, the option number 1 is the right option. Okay. A ka 3, B ka 4th, C ka 1st and D ka 2nd. Question number 8. Identify the correct sequence of stages in qualitative data analysis. So it's talking about the sequence stages in qualitative data analysis. So first is organizing the data, then is coding the data, then is identifying the themes and patterns, and the 4th is interpreting the findings. So A, B, C and D, that is option 2. Question number 9 is find the next term of the series. So this was also easy. So this is 4 ka square 16, 5 ka square 25, 6 ka square 36 and 7 ka square 49. Alternate series hai. 5 ka cube, 4 ka cube 64, 5 ka cube 125, 4 ka cube 64, 3 का cube 27 and then 2 का cube is 8. So accordingly the answer 4th is the correct option, that is 8. Question number 10th is, according to Vedanta, Vyapti is the result of an induction by simple enumeration, option 2. Question number 11th is, which of the following are examples of persistent organic pollutants? Which of the following are examples of POPs? Polychlorinated biphenyls, formaldehyde, dioxins, furans. So the examples are PCBs, dioxins, furans. Formaldehyde is not the example of POPs. So A, C and D, that is option 2. Question number 12 is, what does acronym PIB stands for? Public Information Bureau, Public Information Broadcasting, Press Information Bureau, Press Information Body. So the question number 12, the answer is Press Information Bureau. That is option 3. You can also match your answers with the question ID. Question number 13th is, a classroom in which students from different cultural backgrounds cooperate by doing different parts of a project to reach a common goal is known as surface style classroom, jigsaw, cluster style classroom, or face-to-face style classroom. The answer is jigsaw classroom, that is option 2. Question number 14th is, interpersonal communication is direct face-to-face with group of people, with large number of anonymous persons, between two persons, within ourselves, or self-communication. So the correct answer is direct face-to-face and between the two persons. That is A and D, that is option 1. With large number of anonymous persons is the public communication, within ourselves or self-communication is the intrapersonal communication. Question number 15th is, which of the following are the features of on-demand examination system? Which of the following are the features of on-demand examination system? More rigid scheme of examination? No. Maximum possibility of malpractices or unfair means? No. So, if you will eliminate the statements A and B, जहाँ जहाँ A और B आ रहा है वहाँ eliminate कर देंगे, so option C, D and E are the correct option, that is option 4th. So by elimination आप लोग भी बहुत सारे questions को solve out कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? Question number 16th is, arrange the following chronological according to the year of foundation. Takshashila, Vikramshila, Nalanda, Pushpagiri, Navdeep. So accordingly the answer is option 2. First is Takshashila, then is Pushpagiri, then is Nalanda, then is Vikramshila, and the 5th is Navdeep. Question number 17th is, a man travels 3/5 of a distance AB at a speed of 3a and the remaining at the speed of 2b. If he goes from B to A and returns at a speed of 5c in the same time, then answer is option 3, that is 1 upon A plus 1 upon B is equal to 2 by C. Which of the following is the correct order of computer networks? A to D from largest to smallest. From largest is WAN, then is MAN, then is LAN, and then is PAN. So A will be the first and D will be the last. A, B, C and D, that is option 1. Question number 19th. Net neutrality is the principle that all internet users, data, servers or routers be treated equally. Net neutrality is the principle that all internet data be treated equally, that is option 2 will be the right option. Question number 20 is, which among the following is the correct claim? Read the statements and answer the question number 20. Which among the following is the correct claim? So the correct option is option 1. Jains accept the Smriti as a source of valid knowledge. Question number 21 is the loss of information in memory through its non-use. The loss of information in memory through its non-use is called dendrites, decay, discrimination, or dissociative amnesia. So the correct option is option 2, that is decay. Question number 22 is match the types of communication barriers with their meanings. So semantic barrier is misunderstanding in words or phrases. Physical barriers is noise or distance. Psychological barriers is emotion or attitudes, and cultural barrier is differences in social norms. 1, 2, 3 and 4, that is option 2 is the correct option. Question number 23 is the outcome or effect variable. किसकी बात हुई है? Outcome variable या effect variable की? इसको क्या कहते हैं? Triangulation variable, extraneous variable, intervening variables या dependent variables. The outcome of effect variables are called as dependent variables, that is option 4. The chronological order of the normative theories. So the correct option is option 3, that is C, A, D and B. C, A, D and B. Question number 25. Which of the following is correct in the context of authoritative classroom management style? किसकी बात हुई है? Authoritative classroom management style. It encourages students to be independent thinkers but still provides effective monitoring. It is restrictive and punitive. It allows students considerable autonomy with little support. Teachers show students that they are aware of what is happening. So the correct option is option 1. It encourages students to be independent thinkers but still provides effective monitoring. Question number 26 is which of the following statements is true about variables? Variables are measurable with varying degrees of accuracy depending upon measurement scale used. They are mental images varying from individual to individual. They are concepts. They are perception varying from individual to individual. So what are variables? Option 1 is the right option. Question number 27th is which of the following statements about ICT are true? The Uniform Resource Locator specifies the protocol, domain, path and resource. A web browser is the application software used to access content on www. A website is a collection of web pages usually on the same topic or theme. A web server is a computer with software that makes files available on OCR. This is wrong. So you have to tell me in the comment section what is the full form of OCR. OCR. What is the full form of OCR? क्यों ये स्टेटमेंट गलत है? लेट्स सी. अ वेब ब्राउजर इज अ कंप्यूटर विद सॉफ्टवेयर दैट मेक्स फाइल अवेलेबल ऑन द www, दैट इज वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब. सो जहां आप लोग डी ऑप्शन को एलिमिनेट करेंगे वहां से आपको ऑप्शन 1 और ऑप्शन राइट ऑप्शन आ जाएगा. Question number 28 is what is the correct increasing order of wavelength of following components of solar radiation? What is the correct increasing order of wavelength of following components of solar radiation? Visible light, microwaves, infrared rays, ultraviolet rays. So the correct option is option 4, D, A, C and B. D, A, C and B. Question number 29th is Ravi draws a picture on a piece of paper of 5 inch into 4 inches in size. He wants to use a scanner to scan the picture with 500 pixels per square inch and 16-bit color. Without file compression, what is the approximate file size of the scanned image in megabyte? 7.82, 6.33, 8.66 and 9.54. Correct option is option 4, that is 9.54 megabyte. Question number 30 is what among the following can be inferred correctly from EIO mood in fourth figure? So this is a question related to mood and figure. चैप्टर वाज द लॉजिकल रीजनिंग. सो AEIO आप लोग ने पढ़ा होगा. AEIO. सो वहीं इस क्वेश्चन है मूड्स एंड फिगर्स से. सो करेक्ट इज ऑप्शन C and D. That is, predicate of the conclusion is distributed and middle term appears as a predicate in the major premise. Question number 31 is the liquids A and B are in the ratio 5:1 in container 1 and in 1:3 in the container 2. In what ratio should the contents of the two containers be mixed so as to obtain a mixture of A and B in the ratio 1:1? Options are 2:3, 3:2, 4:3 or 3:4. So correct option is option number 4, that is 3:4. Question number 32 is choose the correct statements. PhD in chemistry is a professional degree. PhD in education is a professional degree. LLM is a professional degree. M-Pharma is a non-professional degree. MSc Computer Science is a professional degree. So, seeing the statements, option C is the right option only. That is, LLM is a professional degree. Option 1 is the correct option. Question number 33 is match list 1 with list 2. Aerosols particles with their size. Coarse particle, more than, respirable, less than 10 micron. Fine particles, less than 2.5 micron, and ultrafine particles, less than 0.1 micron. So 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1. Option 1 is the right option. Match list 1 with list 2. Types of sampling with their descriptions. So random sampling, equal chance of for all the participants, A का fourth. दो ऑप्शन में आ रहा है. So इससे आप लोग ऑप्शन 2 को एलिमिनेट कर सकते हैं, 4 को एलिमिनेट कर सकते हैं. Systematic sampling is selecting every nth individual systematically. So D का सेकंड किस में आ रहा है? ऑप्शन 1 में. So option 1 is the correct option. Question number 35 is what is the correct in the context of Venn diagram representation of the following? All great scientists are college graduates. Some professional athletes are college graduates. Therefore, some professional athletes are great scientists. So, the correct answer is option 4th. Question number 36 is which among the following was not the part of the triad of first three universities established in 1856? 1857. It was B, M, C. Bombay, Madras and Calcutta. Allahabad was not. So, not पूछा गया है. So, option 4th. Question number 37th. So, answer is option 1. That is NOPQ. इसमें B के बाद C मिसिंग है. B के बाद C मिसिंग है. देन है D, E. फिर क्या मिसिंग है? F, G मिसिंग है. फिर H, I, J. फिर K, L, M मिसिंग होगा. फिर N से स्टार्ट होगा. ठीक है, ये मिस हो जाएगा. फिर M, N, O, P, Q करेक्ट हो जाएगा. Question number 38 is as a water disinfectant, the strength of chlorine is measured in terms of available chlorine, total chlorine, reactive chlorine या pure chlorine. As a water disinfectant, the strength of chlorine is measured in terms of available chlorine. Option 1. Question number 39 is institutions with their domains. Match करना है. So answer is option number 3. A का third, B का fourth, social science research, NAC, C का second and D का first to promote quality in technical education. Question number 40th is in the context of Convention on Biological Diversity CBD, the first session of Conference of Parties was scheduled in Montreal, Bahamas, Geneva या Rio de Janeiro? So the answer is option 2, Bahamas. Question number 41 is, when correct reasoning is undermined by the deliberate misrepresentation of the opponent's position is said to be the fallacy of ad populum, ad hominem, ad baculum, the red herring fallacy. So the answer which is given by the UGC net is option 4th, that is the red herring fallacy. But if you have any doubt relating to whether it is the red herring fallacy or the straw man fallacy, if you have the authentic source, then yes, you can challenge this question if you are facing any doubt. Because I also think the answer should be the straw man fallacy, okay? But the answer which is given is the red herring fallacy. So yes, if you have the authentic source where it's clearly mentioned, then you can challenge it. Question number 42 is, the Sarkar Committee 1945 recommended the establishment of higher technical education institutes in 4 different regions of India on the patterns of MIT, USA, Advanced Institute of Indian Sciences, London School of Engineering, University of Kyoto, Japan. The answer is MIT, USA. Option 1. Next question is 43rd question, malware example with the types of malware. अगर आपको WannaCry का पता है ransomware है, so with one option only you can mark the correct answer. Option number 3. Question number 44th is, identify the advantages of computer-based learning or online learning. Computer-based learning or online learning? Self-paced learning? Yes. Students can study anywhere? Yes. These are the advantages of the computer-based or online learning. Hands-on experience of lab or practical work? No, this is not the advantage. Flexibility to join the discussion in the bulletin board, threaded discussion areas at any hour. So answer is option 4, that is A, B and D is the correct answer. Question number 45 is, the median of the distribution given below is 14.4. The values of x and y, if the total frequency is 20, are respectively. So the values of x and y are option 2, that is 4 and 6. Now coming to the reading comprehension. Street theatre in India is a well-established ancient art form. Despite the proliferation of modern means of entertainment and communication, street theatre continues to flourish in India. Street theatre as a channel of communication has for centuries been propagating reforms by highlighting social, economic and political issues present in the society. Unlike in the olden days, its performance is no longer restricted to villages or small localities of the city. Today, small groups of performers, including students, would stage performances to mobilize public opinion or to help create or raise awareness over a particular issue of public importance. Themes on substance abuse, AIDS awareness, and domestic violence are some of the areas highlighted by contemporary street theatre troupes. Unlike regular drama, street drama employs very little props and images. The human body becomes the main tool in which choreography, mime, dialogues, songs, and slogans are extensively used. Street theatre is one of the most intimate media. Its appeal is to the emotions, leading to quick psychological impact on audiences. By being local and live, they also are able to establish not only direct contact with the audience, but by being cost effective and flexible. They are popular among all age groups. So the first question is, the purpose of street theatre is to, answer is option 3, that is to mobilize public opinion and raise awareness about issues of public importance. Question number 47. Which of the following is incorrect about street theater? It uses props and images. It is an intimate media. It has a quick psychological impact on the audience. There are direct contact with the audience. So option 1. See, props and images की बात हुई थी यहाँ पर. Very little props and images. So option 1 is incorrect. Street theater appeals only to children, only to the youth, to people of all age groups, to the elderly. Option 3 is the right option, to the people of all age groups. 49th is, in what way have modern forms of entertainment and communication affected the street theater? They have completely overtaken it. They have had a damaging effect. They have relegated it to the rural areas. They have had no effect on it. So answer is option 4th. Question number 50th and last question of today's class is, select the word that means giving the best possible profit or benefits in comparison with the money that is spent. Giving the best possible profit or benefit in comparison with the money that is spent is called as cost effective. Option 2. So yes, I hope you will find this session valuable and informative. If you have any doubt relating to any questions, then you can answer in the comment box. Okay. Thank you so much, students.